too long when he's involved. Like I said, it ain't his fault. It was what his brother taught. Never leave it unresolved. So you're chasing through the night. You feel safer by his side. I'm surprised you're still alive. No reluctant, least you try. No sé dónde ir, no sé dónde puedo ir. Sigo sonriendo, andando por el fuego. Pues gracias a ti ya no tengo miedo. Nunca de mis sueños